Hi everybody, I'm going to teach you how to do a tag that is going to cut from the Cricut, but also that will have writing on it. We've had a couple requests for that. So what I did personally is I found a tag shape that I liked on Google. So I'm going to go ahead and upload my tag shape. There it is, tag. Because it's an easy image, I'm just going to click simple, and then you're just going to delete the negative space that you don't want it to have. Now don't worry that the color is black, it's fine. You'll see in just a moment that we will change that so that you can see it better. So you want to save it as a print, or as a cut image, I'm so sorry, and go ahead and save that. You're going to click on your image and insert it into your design space. It's here somewhere. Mine's been doing this lately where it keeps losing my stuff. Anybody know why? No, nobody. There it is. Okay. So I'm going to resize it. I'm going to do, let's say, about a 5-inch tag. I'm going to go ahead and change the color on this because the black is very hard to see when you go to put your writing on, and my tags are going to be white. But for design purposes and easier to see, I'm going to go ahead and make them orange. That way you can see what we're doing. Now I want to do more than one of these, and I want them all the same size. So I'm just going to go ahead and duplicate my tag and put it next to my other tag. Now the person who wanted these, she was doing smell, touch, taste, so I'm going to make a font that says smell. And I'm going to size it so that it fits, oops, so that it fits on my tag. Perfect, that'll work. And then we're going to do another text, and it's going to say taste. Now obviously I'm not doing anything too fancy, just because this is a simple show you how to do it. Okay, so you just size it to what you want and place it where you want. Now you see that over here, everything is listed as cut. We only want it to cut out the orange. We want it to write the words. So come over to here on this side, right here, and you'll see where you have cut little scissors on your words. I want you to go ahead and change those to write. Doesn't matter what color pen you pick, unless you're using more than one, because it will tell you when to change your pen color. I'm going to use a green pen. But it's very hard to see, so I'm just going to go ahead and leave it on black for you guys so you can see my words better. And you're going to do that with both of the words. So you want smell and taste to both be right. So you'll see right here where the little pen icon is. Okay. Now, so that everything stays where you placed it, you're going to select all of your items, and you can do that just by drawing a big box. And you're going to hit attach. Simple as that. So all you have to do now is click make it, and you'll see it shows you on your mat where it's going to cut. Now I'm going to go ahead and do this for you so that you can kind of see the process on how it works. So the first thing I always do, I'm going to take you over to my Cricut, which is right next to my computer here. Sorry about that, a little bouncy. Get your pen, whatever color you decided you wanted. Don't throw it across the room like I just did, but there's your pen. I'm going to show you guys all how to load it, and I accidentally already opened mine, but open your A, just unclick it, and then you're going to put your pen in. You want to make sure that your pen clicks down. I always put my thumb under just so that it holds it more steady, and make sure your pen is clicked in, and click your A closed again because that holds your pen steady. So my pen's no longer wiggly. So you come back to your Cricut, or your screen, and all you have to do is hit click continue like you would to do pretty much any of your other projects. And it's going to go ahead and tell you to load your material. Now see, I said I was going to make white tags, so I have my white cardstock. Now I'm using my dirty mat because it doesn't really hold anything anymore. I do have a cardstock mat, but I'm just going to go ahead and use this one. So your first item that it's going to do is it's going to write your product. So it tells you that you needed to load your pen. It always tells you what you need to do on screen. Go ahead and click your Cricut button, the little C, and it's going to write out your tag. And you can see right here, it's going to write out our tags. I'll move you guys so you can just see its writing. And again, you can choose whatever font you want. There are fonts that will fill in the whole letters. You can download those off of a bunch of different sites. Just make sure that it's a writing font. Okay, so it's going to shove it out back at me. And now what it's going to do is it's going to cut. And you can see that it's cutting our shape. Keep moving into it. See, it's going to cut out our tag. Now it does the outline, and then it goes back up to cut out our little circles so that we can hang it. And I'll pull these off so you guys can see them and what they look like when they're done. This is a pretty quick one, pretty easy once you get the hang of it. You see now it's going to go back up and cut out our little circle. Click unload your mat, and I'll pull these off so you guys can see what they ended up looking like when we're done. Oops. My mat's still got a little stick to it. And there is your tag. And smell, it says smell. Now obviously you can do kind of anything you want to do on it. You could draw a little picture, you could make the tag smaller, bigger, whatever you want to do, but this is just what I did so you guys could see them. Let me know if you guys have any more questions, any designs you want to see made. Basically I am willing to make you guys tutorials that will help you be the crafters you want to be. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. I make videos all the time. Also check out my Instagram, because I will be posting lots and lots of fun crafts that I make, and hopefully some inspiration for you guys.